Okay guys, really excited to look at the Bobbin brand Q2 Pro mini massage gun, as you can see just here. We're going to go through some features, but it does hot and cold, it's mini size, and over 5 years of battery life in it, and 5 adjustable speeds. So very excited to have a look at how that's going to work, and a bit more about it on the back there. And as you can see, it's filled with a ton of different features. So this is a very small massage gun too, which is great. So you don't want to have things that are too heavy to carry around with you. And let's open it up. So you're seeing this live with me as we do it in this unboxing. So Bobbin brand are a great fitness brand as well. It's the first time I've actually reviewed their goods, so very excited to have a look at it. So we take it open there. And I start with, look at that lovely case. Doesn't that look really nice? So there it is just there. It looks kind of like a Gucci bag actually. Look at how beautiful that looks. You can already feel from the weight, you can feel it's not too heavy, but you can feel the quality build already. If we take this off, this case is a lovely surprise actually. I'll put that to the side. Okay, so to start with, we've got the mini massager just here. So again, there it is just there. So there it is just there. Can't power on and charging, so good thing to note. So there it is there. Look how small it is. It's not much bigger than my actual hand for a massager. There's the Bobbin brand packaging on there as well. And the different things. So that is, I mean, first thing is the presentation is absolutely lovely. I mean, look at the quality of these devices. I mean, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So this is going to be the guns. So we're going to go through each of these in detail. Let's take that off and have a look. So you've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different attachments you could put in. So again, quite easily, you get the attachments and you put it in just there. You see, I haven't used this before. Put it like that. See, there it is just there. Now, you've got 5 different adjustable speeds. You've got 5 different attachments as well. So it goes from 1800 to 3000 RPM. And it's got a 7mm amplitude as well, which is great. So I'm going to move this just to the side. Also, what else comes in here as well? We've got the user manual in here, which you can have a look at to set it up. And you've also got the charging cable there as well. So very nice presentation. Let's start by actually having a look at the first one. We're going to go turn it on. Bring that back in a minute. So there it is just here. Now again, doesn't that look lovely as well? So you've got the charging port at the back there. You've got the massager that works there. You've got the on-off button here as well. So let's start by turning it on and getting it working. So there you go, it's just started. The set's very, very quiet, so 30 to 50 decibels in noise. To be honest, it's even less than that. You can't hardly hear it. There's no disruptions at all. It's kind of whisper quiet almost. It's got a very comfortable grip as well, which means you get straight into the muscles there. Now you can also go and make it faster as well. So how do you make it faster? You just by increasing it there, see? So look at that, look at the speed. You can slow it down again. So that's the highest setting as well. You can feel it going in there. Now it's got 15 fast watt charging as well. So it can be fully charged in just 1.5 to 2 hours, which is great. Now it only weighs about 430 grams as well, so it's super light. And you've also got the heat one on there as well. So let's go look at the heat attachment as well. So you can do cold or hot, which I think is a great attachment. Now you turn it out to open it up. You put this in here like this. So this is a hot attachment, which is great because you want to have heat sometimes, particularly when you're doing recovery. So we turn it on again by holding down the button like we did before. So it's on. And there we go. So see the percussion in there? So you can see on my arm. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now you want to go and turn it on heat. So we pause this and we go to this, and we actually need to switch this on. So we turn on the heat. So you've got hot and you've got cold there. So you press hot, and then straight away you can feel the heat coming through. It's a really nice warm heat. So it can help you melt away stiffness and soreness in your muscles. So we turn that on. So now you've got the percussion, and you've also got the heat in it too. And it heats up straight away. So you can feel it coming through, and that feels so nice. Let's go and switch it off and put it onto cold for a minute. So you go and hold down the button again, and you've got cooling on there too. So cooling, can you hear that? Can you hear it? It's giving a little, like an air conditioner. So it's got almost like a built-in kind of air conditioning thing in here, like a cold setting. So this can also melt away soreness. So for recovery, it's good to have a mixture of cold and hot. And that's incredible, guys. It literally is cooling down straight away. And God, that's lovely and cool. Oh, beautiful. So you can put that on with cool. Turn it on. Oh yeah, that's great. And look at that. So if I turn it up, oh, that's my arm. We'll show you more in the full review, but that is really, I mean, that's amazing. I'm going to switch that off. Yeah, that is so cold. And just press the button, turn it off. Like that. And then open it up. And then easy, guys, you've got all the different attachments, which I won't go into here because you'll see them in the full review. You've got the circle attachment. You've got the kind of the spongy one, the direct one, and also the fixed one as well. So we'll go through the full review how to use these, but this really is a fantastic massager device, and I can't wait to try it out more.